What is your most popular white PC build? Do you hear that? I think there's a storm rolling. This is the MetaStorm, and yes, it's our most popular white PC build. We built this for a smooth 1440p gaming experience with a Ryzen 7800X 3D, a 4070 Super, and 32 gigs of DDR5 RAM. And if you haven't seen this sexy looking Helldivers drop pod case, it's called the Thermaltake 300. It has a vertical mount for the GPU. This case has such a unique look, which is why it's so popular. And then make the case white? Well, now we can't even keep up with the order. I do want to do an Intel version of this case when they fix their CPUs. So let me know what we should name it in the comments.